Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited to bring a brand new box to my channel. You might have seen it, you might have heard about it, but not on my channel until now. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box. Do you want to see what is inside this little pink beauty box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is a Tribe Beauty Box for this month, and I am so honored. They actually put a post out on their Instagram, and I had filled out the thing because they were looking for new influencers that would review their box, and I filled it out, and I had quite a few of you guys actually tag me in the post as well and said you would really love for me to bring it on my channel. And they accepted me, so I'm so pleased. I'm so honored. I'm just so appreciated when companies do like my work and want me to review their boxes. So I am now on their PR list, and I'm going to be reviewing this for you guys. And I am so excited, so excited. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this company, since I've never brought this on here, so let's learn about them. Okay, so Tribe Beauty Box. Are you crazy about beauty? Receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. So they're bi-monthly. So they ship out 6 a year instead of 12, which is really cool because especially if you don't want to get a lot of makeup or a lot of products, if you do the bi-monthlies, then it kind of spaces it out a little bit better. Plus it's better on your budget as well because it's not a monthly, it's every other month. So you get 5 full-size beauty products. That's amazing. I love when I hear full size, and it's guaranteed to be a value of $100 or more every time. And again, it's every other month, and it's $34.99. But if you follow my link down below and you use my code SheCrafty, you will get 10% off. I love when companies share codes with me for you guys so you can save money. I totally love that. So SheCrafty will get you 10% off your first order. Follow my link down below. Again, $34.99 every other month. They do also international, Canadian, and UK shipping at an additional fee. So if you are in any of those areas, you can definitely check out their website and you can see what their shipping fees would be to you and see if you would like to subscribe. But again, follow the link. SheCrafty will get you 10% off. Enough talking. Let's get in. Let's get in here. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. All right, you guys, let's get into this box. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so there is a card right on top, and it gives the value. I love when they give the value. Love when they give the value. You're not just blindsided by seeing products and you're like, is it worth it? Now we're gonna be able to find out. So here they have little pink, little popcorn, little styrofoams. These are actually pink. I don't know if it's picking up on the box, if it's picking up on the camera, but these are actually pink. That is so cute. Okay, so right on top that we see is a Wander Beauty, and I'm sure we've all heard about Wander Beauty. They are definitely going around in the beauty world, but this is an item I have never tried. So this is really cool. It says Dive In Moisturizer. And if you follow me, you know I love any type of skincare, moisturizers, anything like that. So this right here says Wander Beauty, Dive In Moisture, $36. $36. That is actually more than this entire box. Yay! All right, and here is the actual product. It is so pretty, nice little pale pinkish color. That is really pretty. This lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture absorbs quickly and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. It is enriched with pentavin, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. Wow. All right, let's see. Is there a safety seal? There is a safety seal. And I have so many things open right now. I'm trying so hard to finish the ones that I have opened. So I'm trying to keep these nice and sealed. So once I do, I have my backups to start using, and I can't wait to try that. So, and that sounds amazing. 72-hour hydration. That's awesome. And again, this pays for more than the entire box. And we still have more items in here, you guys. Okay, so next we have Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, limited edition. Wow, okay, so there is the packaging. And this is Dr. Botanicals. The Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil is from there's the actual thing, is from Dr. Botanicals, is brimming with minerals and vitamins, working to repair and protect the skin and leave it healthier looking, lightweight and non-greasy. The potent serum has a delicate fragrance and effortlessly melts in. Ooh. Let me see that little, let me put a little bit on my hand. It's a very, very faint, very, very faint scent. So I'm so glad, because I saw the word rose and I immediately said, ugh, because I don't like the artificial smell of rose. But that just smells like a nice, a very, very, very faint, nice florally scent, but not like a rose scent. So that actually smells really nice. I like that. I like that. That does smell really, really good. I can't, ooh, and if, now that it's dried down, I can totally see a difference in the texture. Like this side's nice and shiny and it feels a lot better. So, ooh, I cannot wait to try that out. Now that product right there is $26. All right, you guys, let's keep on going. We have a brush set. Let's see here. Let's get it opened. This is a Crown brush, rose gold eye set. So these are by Crown. That's cool. I do have some Crown brushes that I've received in other boxes. So this is really cool to add to it because they're bigger. So then now I have like, I'm starting to get like a complete little crown set. So there is the 4 different brushes. That one's kind of angled right there, angled. So let's see what they say on here. Crown brush, BK17 round angle blender. Ooh, they're nice and soft. This one is a chisel fluff. We have a chisel fluff. Don't know what that means, but all right. And then this is an oval smudger. Ooh, that one looks nice. And then I love these because I'll do my eyebrows in the morning, you know. So I do like that. The one that I have is a lot shorter and it's hard to find in my makeup brush thing. So this is gonna be nice because it's a little bit higher. It'll stick out more. I'll be able to find it easier. So that's awesome. So the Crown brush set, it says rose gold eye set. I don't know where the rose gold is coming in, but these are black. This is $19 and it tells you which brushes they are, which I just read. So there's a brush set. So cool, so cool. Okay, we have another item, and this is the City Limits palette. And if you guys have been following me for some time, you know this is my favorite palette. I did purchase one for, I did a try on of this that I just posted, I think like last week. So I did a look. I'm actually wearing this today because when I tell you guys I use this like 5 times a week, I'm not kidding. I use this palette at least for the last 6 to 8 months, almost 5+ days out of the week, and I really, really love this palette. That's what I get the most compliments on when I wear it. And I just bought another one for a backup, so I'll put that in my next giveaway, which will be when I hit 4K, which I have a little bit more to go, but I'm getting there. So once I get that, I'll put that in there. So this is the one that I'm going to hold on for my backup, because if you watch my other video, you see that mine is a little used and abused. So there's a mirror on top and there is the palette right there. Now the colors that I always use, just so you know, is this C right here. Just these are the only ones that I use every single day. So let me go ahead and swatch this for the ones that haven't seen this palette, or if you didn't see my other videos, let me do a quick swatch for you guys. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so here is the complete swatch, and I did swatch this one because this one is now going to be my backup, because I have hit pan on a few of these colors using it for quite some time, but there is the actual color swatches right there. And again, I did one time use the blue, But normally, like I said, I use this like little C shape every single day. I don't even touch the others, but these are all really pretty. They're very, very high pigmented. They blend so good. It's like a buttery blending dream. I really do love this palette, and I have a lot of higher end palettes, and honestly, I grab this at least 5 times every single week. This is my go-to. I love the way that it looks. It's the same thing that I do every single day, so I'm so glad to have my backup because I'm gonna need it. So I'm so glad to get that. And it says in here, the IBY City Limits palette is $20, and it is. You can go to IBY and it is $20. But I think you have to pay, yeah, you do have to pay additional shipping. So this eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades. That's what I just said. Infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. And again, I love that palette, you guys. So then the last item in here is Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss by LA Splash Cosmetics. This packaging is gorgeous. Look at the packaging. It looks like little diamonds on the bottom. This right here is LA Splash Sinfully Angelic Lip Gloss, $18. Soar into the heavens with your new Sinfully Angelic Lip Gloss. They offer overworldly protection while still giving you that glossy, glamorous look. So let's see. Ooh, you guys, that is pretty. Look at the top. There's like a gem that they have set into the lid. It's a pink little gem. That is so pretty with like a rose gold colored package. And then that looks a little pinky, but you know what? This package is so beautiful. I don't want to let this go. So I'm not going to put this in a future giveaway. I'm going to keep it and I'm going to try it on and let's see what happens. Ooh, that is actually a really pretty color, you guys. I always have to smell things, but it smells like cake batter. It smells really good. Look at that color. And definitely is darker than I would think by looking at the package, but that package is gorgeous. I think that is so pretty. Okay, let me get it on these little girls over here and see what it looks like on. Okay, you guys. It is very like a mauve-y, burgundy-ish, pinkish. I'm not sure what color to call that. Like a magenta? I don't know. But I think it actually looks pretty. I'm starting to try to be more of a lip product person, but I'm trying, you guys. I am so trying. So what do you think? Does it look good? I think it actually does. I don't know. You guys let me know. Comment down below. Let me know. I love the packaging. And from looking at their website, it looked like there was a variety of different colors that probably would have been sent at random. I tried to put too many words in that sentence way too quick. It probably would have been sent at random. And so the color that I received is, it says 805 and the color is Cassil. I don't know, C-A-S-S-I-E-L. And I'm sure they had different ones to be sent at random because like I said, their site shows like several different colors, different shades, lighter, darker, all that. And I'm actually, I don't think I kept anything like this color. So I'm actually really glad that I got this color. Definitely stepping out of my comfort zone for sure. But let me know, you guys, what do you think? This packaging though is so gorgeous. I love that with the little pink gem on top. That's just gonna look so pretty sitting in my little thing with all my lip glosses. I'm gonna be like, whoop, that's the one. I know it. I could tell by the lid. That is so cute. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box for Tribe Beauty Box. What do you guys think? If you guys would like to try this IBY palette, this is the perfect way to do it because This box, again, is $34.99. SheCrafty will get you 10% off, and you're going to get an amazing lip gloss, whichever you want to call it, in different shades, which this is, I love it. It feels really nice on my lips. It's really smooth. I really like this. Oh, and here is the color if you want to see it a little bit better with what I was trying to say right there. The packaging is gorgeous. The color, it feels really good. I'm actually really excited about it. You're getting a 4-piece crown brush. You're getting this that it smells really, really good. Even though it's faint, it still smells good. Plus, you don't want something overly powerfully like smelling when you're trying to sleep. Sometimes it will give me a headache. This I'm excited so much to try. And the Wander Beauty product. So you're gonna get all of this for $34.99 minus 10% off. And then you can try my favorite palette that I talk about all the time and you're always seeing in my videos. So this is an amazing box to definitely try, especially for everything that you're getting in this box, you guys. I will go ahead and total this up. I will put the grand total right here, but that is everything. Again, comment down below. I'd love to know what you think about this box. Do you think it's worth it? I honestly do. $35, you got all these full-size products, and of course it has my favorite palette in here. So yes. So for my first box, I actually do love this. I know a few of you have asked me to bring Try Beauty on, but at the time I wasn't trying to get more makeup because I was getting an overabundance, but now I've kind of cut back on a lot of my makeup ones. So, and then it just accepted me, which is amazing. So thank you so much, Try Beauty Box, for accepting me into your PR and for sending me your amazing box. And I'm so glad and so honored to be able to show this to my viewers every other month. So thank you guys again so much for tuning in, and definitely comment down below. Let me know. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video that I have on my channel. I greatly appreciate that. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.